I'm Matt Lehrer. I'm studying in the Innovation for Change in a Digital Society master's program here in the Computer Science department at Malmö University. In our program, we learn things around four main pillars: the sustainability, entrepreneurship, innovation, and digitalization. Everything kind of goes back to those things. We learn about the design process and design thinking. We think about how problems can be solved and which problems are worth solving. And we usually apply emerging technology like artificial intelligence or Internet of Things like Arduino and things like that to solve those problems. We think about how digital solutions can move the world forward, move the economy in a more sustainable direction. There is as much coding as you want there to be. You do not need any kind of programming experience to succeed in this program. And any coding experience that you do bring can add a lot to group projects or to your own projects, and you can apply that in many ways.
So my name is Michaela O'Brien, and I am a doctoral student here at Malmö University. I think that as much as we humans try to shape technology and shape society through digital solutions, the society and technology shapes us right back, and that's how I got interested in working with technology and the interaction that humans had with technology in society. So that's where it started for me. It started with the humans and moved on to humans' interactions with technology. The transition from a master's student to a PhD student is, in many ways, it's kind of a natural prolonging of what we're doing, except that you're now driving your own project forward and your own research directions. Going from a student to a teacher is in many ways a bit more challenging, because in many ways I still think of myself as a master student, or maybe as a student from this program, and so I can recognize the assignments and the courses. And being a teacher within those, I think it gives me, right now I think it gives me a lot of good perspectives, because I remember how I interpreted the content myself, and I can now put it into context in a different way when I'm teaching it. My current research is about how we can use digitalization to help people make sustainable decisions. So I'm looking at how digital solutions can support decision making, maybe by visualizing sustainability impact, carbon dioxide emissions, and those kind of things. Maybe gamifying is a good way of engaging people in sustainable behaviors, like gamifying, competing with your neighbor and how many kilowatt hours you can save in a day, for example. Those kind of things we can do with digital solutions, and they can in that way support us in living sustainably. So that is what my research is about. I'm interested in the mechanics behind digitalization and how we can utilize them to improve sustainable decision.
I think the program is really great. I like the seminars, I wouldn't lie, and our seminars are more like discussions where it's like a forum where you get to hear different opinions from other students. I think someone who wishes to build solutions that are making use of emerging digital technologies for the society should apply for this course, because it gives them that kind of understanding of not just the technology but also its implications when it comes to the society.
My master's thesis is about electric vehicle drivers and their decision making. I am studying whether it makes sense for drivers to plan ahead in terms of the price they will pay for charging right now. There is a huge difference between one charging station and another in terms of the price, and we don't really have that problem with gas stations because competition has shrunk the cost differences. But with charging stations, it's a lot harder to plan, and I'm trying to figure out if it makes sense to pay attention to that.